Hi, I'm Sue, and I'm going to walk you through the steps of my Do Dance Young Rebel Love. I will turn around here in a second. I am going to give you a couple of easier alternatives for Section 1 and Section 2 of the dance for those who have trouble with the steps in those sections. I'm going to turn around and get started. It is a 48 count, 2-wall beginner level dance when restart. We're going to start on our with weight on our left foot. We're going to do a heel grind, quarter turn right on counts 1, 2. 1, 2, rock back on 3, recover 4. Do half of a K step into your right diagonal, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a rock back and a half turn of our left shoulder. Rock back, half turn, step on your right and hold. Rock back, half turn, step on your left and hold. Section 3, we're going to vine to the right. Vine to the right with a touch, 2 step touches. And then we're going to vine quarter left with a touch, 2 step touches. All right, Section 5, we're going to step forward on our right, scuff our left, and then the same thing with the opposite foot. Step, scuff, step, scuff. Finish the count for Section 5 with a rocking chair, rocking chair. We're going to do a half pivot over our left shoulder and cross side, half pivot, cross side, finishing up with a V step, out, out, back, together. Before I go through the whole dance with a count, let me show you a couple of easier options for Section 1 and 2. Section 1, where the heel grind occurs. We're going to first of all change that. If you can't do a heel grind, I want you to do a diagonal, start a diagonal rocking chair into your right forward corner here and finish the rocking chair rocking facing your 3 o'clock wall. So rocking chair, and then you can complete Section 1 with a step, touch, step, touch. Okay, so the diagonal rocking chair finishing on the 3 o'clock wall replaces the heel grind rock back. In Section 2, with the rock back turn, instead of doing the turns, you can just do a back mambo with your right. Mambo, step, hold, and then the same thing with your left. Mambo, step, hold. And your weight's on your left, ready to continue with the vine. Okay, so those are 2 easier options for Section 1 and Section 2. The other steps are all very easy to do. So let's go through the whole thing with a count, and then we'll talk about the restart. So facing the front, and by the way, the restart does face the front, so that should make your life a little easier. From the top, all the way through, with the count. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Vine to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5, step 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finally, Section 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, restart. Happens 1 time. Wall 3, you're going to be coming out of that vine, quarter turn left, and you will restart at the front. Let's walk through that. Starting on the, have to think about it. Starting on the front wall. Okay, so starting on the front wall. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And restart here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Good classic rock mix with modern country. Thank you.